Looks like it's going to be all right. Back to the nose. Select one. We'll go ahead and start running auto. There's something I forgot to change in my program. I should have kept the tool down. These are for a Ford diesel truck, I do believe. They add a clutch to them. I'm doing these for a guy I started doing some of that work for. Maybe if he happens to see this video, he can comment on what Ford transmission they are. This machine here is a VMC lagunamatic 3516 18-pot tool changer. There you can see the tool changer. I was hesitant on buying this machine when I first seen them because I didn't know anything about a dynapath. The dynapath controls seem to be pretty hardy. I've put a couple power sources on it, but other than that, it runs great, it's reliable. Done everything. I mean, it'll cut 3D, maybe not the smoothest, but it'll cut it. So if you're out there and you're looking at these little lagoons, there's a dynapath control action because they're on other machines. They're even on Hercos and different ones. But if you like them, found one cheap, check it out. Don't be afraid of it. Dynapath, you can still get parts. This is actually a dynapath 40 control. And you can get parts for it from dynapath. I got a lagoon lathe here with a 20 dynapath control. And they service their stuff clear back, they told me, to the first one from back in the 80s. That's all I got. Hopefully this helps some guy out that's looking for a dynapath information, because there wasn't anything out there when I was looking. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I read them. And until next time, God bless.